In fact, I'll show you two ways we will carry solve this thing. Time no day. Solution. What you go do be say when you see this question like this, first method I go use be say, as the negative sign there from the law we call negative index. That negative index say if I get a to the power of negative b, say this negative sign will change to the inverse of this a to the power of b. That means this one now change to 1 over a and b now the same thing we see here. She understand that the law negative index for indices. So negative here will change to 1 over what they call the reciprocal or inverse of 81 over 16 all raised to the power of 1 over 4. I don't apply the law there. I will still apply it for you too. This one be like this one now. So times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1. Where is sent in as 2. Good. You don't catch the flabby. Another thing I want me to note be say, if I get a raised to the power of 1 over 3, now same thing as cube root of a. If I get a raised to the power of 1 over 4, now 4th root of a. So if I get 81 over 16 raised to the power of 1 over 4, it will be the same thing as the 4th root of 81 over 16. So I will show you the principle I want to apply and the use them so that you understand, make you don't lose any step. Times this 1 over 2. What you will do for this place now? First, ask yourself, what will be the 4th root? According to sword, if you get 4th or maybe the nth root of, let's say, a over b, this thing will be the same thing as the nth root of a over the nth root of b. So this one now, I still put them as 1 over the 4th root of 81 all over the 4th root of 16 equal to 1 over 2. Sorry, times 1 over 2. This thing now will come give me 1 over, what will be the 4th root of 81? 4 numbers will go multiply themselves to give you 81. What will be those numbers? Now 2. Now 3 now be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 now 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 now 81. So here now I'll get 3 as the answer. Since now 3 numbers will go multiply. 3 now you go multiply itself 3 times, 4 times to give you 81. So you just pick one of it. If you use calculator, check to 4th root of 81. Check 4th root of 16 now 2. Because now 2 will multiply itself 4 times because of 4th root to give you 16. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. This one will multiply 1 over 2. So this thing now fraction. For fraction now, if you treat it in 2 ways, 1 over this one means you should flip this one. Inverse of 3 over 4 means flip it upside down. Inverse means make it turn this 3 over 2 upside down so that it become 2 over 3. You know, say 3 9 there 2. Inverse means make it turn upside down. The inverse of this one 9 be 2 over 9 be one way if you treat them. If you show you another way if you treat that, if you want, I will show you. Times this 1 over 2. So now you see say 2 and 2 will cancel. 1 over 3 remain. Option A. This has a method long. Even though we say I even flip here, I for even treat this one as fraction. Say, okay, as if we say I get 1 over, I feel treat it as 1 divided by 3 over 2. Treat it as fraction. 1, if I change the division to multiplication, yeah, 2 will go up, 3 will come down. 3 over 2. Sorry, 2 over 3. I have a switch them. 2 over 3. So you can give me 2 over 3 here. Times this 1 over 2. You see, say this one will cancel. I will still get 1 over 3. But if you want to use shortcut from here now, just say, okay, as I get inverse now, go flip this one upside down. The negative sign now you go flip this one. So if I remove this negative sign, I flip this one, I turn it upside down so that we're going to get 16 over 81 raised to the power of 1 over 4. Yeah, inverse of, in fact, just carry this one as times 1 over 2 because you don't get anything you want to do again. Just leave it the way it be. Then this one now, you can say, if you do it in 2 ways too, either if you take this particular thing I do, if you do it here, or if you say, since 4 raised to the power of, or 2 raised to the power of 4, 9 be 16, over 3 raised to the power of 4, 9 be 81. And if you put it like that, then here I can get 1 over 4. I feel still share them too. I will show you the trick now. I feel still share them. I just play around with all these things. Since this one, all of them, this one will share from this one will still share from this one. I fit still do am like this. So you go get 2 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4 over 3 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 1 over 4, then times this 1 over 2. I go play with am in different way. So you know say 4 times 1 na 4 divided by 4 na 1. Or if you just cancel like this, wetin remain here na 2 over 3. 2 over 3 times 1 over 2. This one will cancel. 1 over 3 the answer. You dey enjoy am? Which one will you like pass among all the two? Which one will you like pass? Just tell me for comment section. So lastly, I just say the answer now option A. Na correct. I hope you don't learn. Make you share this video, like. Peace and love.